Hello everyone, I'm back with a spine chilling story that has been passed down in my family long ago. So, this is an incident my father experienced personally during his younger days. So, name of this story is this is a small spooky story, and name of this story is Anadi Uncle. In Odia, Anadi Mosa. Let's start. Back then, my dad was working in Paradev. As the eldest son, he was very focused on his career. But on his off days, he would travel back to his native. In those days, there were no mobile phones or landlines, just the quiet and dark rural roads. It was around 10 p.m. on a Saturday night. It was a moonless night. My dad was working down a narrow village path flanked by vast silent paddy fields. That time he was a relaxed guy and walking home while listening to his handheld radio to pass the time. That time is one of his interesting hobby. Suddenly, through the static of the radio, he noticed a shadow. Someone sitting along in the middle of the paddy field. At first, he ignored it and kept walking, but then a voice got through the darkness, calling his name. Are Porsu, Asichu? Hey Porsu, you have come. My dad turned around and recognized the face immediately. It was Anadi Mosa, Anadi Uncle. Are Mosa, you are here? My dad replied. How are you? Mosa, ଏତେ ରାତିରେ ତମେ ଏଠି କେମିତି ଅଛ? Anadi uncle was sitting there calmly smoking a bidi. The orange glow of the embers lit up his face. I'm good, Anadi uncle said. You are settled now. You settle now, Parsu. You should get married soon. So, my dad laughed it off the way he always did when marriage came up, just like me. Ha, ba hobba to kon ଏଥିରେ ଅଛି କେବେ ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଯିବ ଆଉ. Well, see uncle, age is just a number. My dad just replied. They talked for a few more moments, and then my father said his goodbyes and headed towards the house. When he stepped inside, the atmosphere of the home was very heavy. His two brothers and three sisters, they all were sitting over their books. But no one was studying. Their faces were long and very somber. My grandfather was quietly tending to the cows, and my grandmother was in the kitchen. She was cooking something. My dad asked all, Hey, what happened? कौन है जी सब एमती चुपचाप? Why is everyone so sad? My grandmother looked at him and said, तू जा हाथ धोई दे मो खाइବାକୁ ବାଢୁଛି ଖାଇସାର କହିବି. You go son, wash up and you sit, eat your dinner, then I will tell you. After dinner, my dad once again asked, Boo, tell me what happened? ବୋଉ କହୁନୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ପଚାରୁଛି କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ମନ ଏତେ ଦୁଃଖ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ? My grandfather and grandmother, they both sat with my dad, and my grandfather spoke in a little very low trembling voice. Son, you will be deeply saddened to hear this. Our dearest Anadi passed away 2 days ago. ପୁଅ ତ ମନ ଦୁଃଖ ହବ, ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କହିଲି ଆଗୁଆ ଖାଇଦେ. ଅନାଦି ଆଉ ନାହିଁ, 2 ଦିନ ତଳେ ଚାଲିଗଲା. A cold shiver ran down my dad's spine. His heart nearly stopped. He had just seen Anadi uncle an hour ago. He had seen the smoke from his bidi. He had heard his voice. He If Anadi uncle had been dead for 2 days, then who was sitting in the paddy field? That incident left many unanswered questions. That's all for now. I hope you like this small spooky story. I think this is the last small spooky story of this year. So I will be back soon. Not soon, I will be back in 2026 with more interesting stories and poems. Till then, take care.